the AC 8000 series side coiling fire door. But what would happen in the event that there was a fire, right, and the smoke heads click this off? This pocket door is going to come open, and that accordion fire door is going to go right across the whole entire track here, and it's going to close, and it will block this area off both from the smoke and the fire. So once it's deployed on alarm, once the alarm panel's reset, wherever that is downstairs, what have you, this is going to come back in and reset. Okay. All right, so over here on this side, you've got the McKEON, this is a model D500 S on these curtains. And this is, let's just take a quick peek. Unique configuration that allows you to have, you know, a really specialized area that would not conform to a lot of other ways to block that smoke, and conceals that entire area to contain that smoke, whether it be here going this way or down there coming up, right? It's the AutoSet 200. It's a horizontal door, which I know you've probably seen it already, right? But you've got this whole application set up like a traditional fire door, which would be vertical. But you've got this in a horizontal position. Once again, sniffing for smoke, and when the alarm goes off, this is going to close.